Vatech provides innovative products and differentiating services for mutually beneficial growth, together with all of our strategic partners. Easy Sensor Classic is the most reliable and largest selling intraoral sensor. Please allow us to show you the installation process of the most preferred and dynamic intraoral sensor in the world. Once you open the box, you would find Easy Sensor Classic Intraoral Sensor Unit, silicone cover, sleeves box containing 100 of hygiene sleeves, wall mount holder for sensor unit, manual guide, console CD, software pen drive with 5 original license keys. The wholly owned company's in-house developed easy-to-use software provides the useful tools that boost the usage of effective treatment planning for your patients. To install this software and proper working, recommended PC configuration. Let's begin the installation. Before installation, you need to do some minor changes in the settings of computer. Turn off Windows Firewall. Change user account control setting. Never notify. Steps to disable antivirus. On the taskbar, where you see the time on bottom right side of the screen, click to see all icons and on the icon of antivirus. Right-click mouse and click on Disable Protection, and it will show option Disable till next restart. So let's get started. Plug in the pen drive in the USB port of your PC. Open the setup.exe file in pen drive and click on Server button and proceed to install. Before we proceed further, we would like to share some important information that in case you are using more than one computer for your practice, you would be making one computer as server and all others will be clients, to a maximum of 4. Since we are making this demo for server, let's click Easy Server button and then on Next button. Wait for next window to appear on screen. It will show details to choose destination location C/program file x86/Vatech. Please don't change the path of the software. Click on Next and wait for next upcoming window of Easy Server. Now the installed Shield Wizard has successfully installed. Click on Finish to exit. Now, in Consultation Data Setup. On Consult Data, install Shield Wizard window. Now, in Implant Database, install Shield Wizard Setup. Just click on Next and wait for upcoming window. Now click on Select All on left bottom corner and click on OK. Implant data has successfully installed. Just click on Finish. Easy Server installation done. Easy Dent Eye consultation software installation. This is most easy to learn and use software for effective dental practice. After installation of all above, Easy Server and console, Now open the Easy Dent Eye software and wait for next window. Select the local IP address and Auto DB mode. Now connect the Easy Sensor Classic with USB port. We will now activate the license for Easy Dent Eye, Consult Video. Open the pen drive and double-click on vtnl.exe file for the Easy Dent Eye software activation. Vatech provides 5 original licenses. For installing the license, it will give us 3 options: activation with USB dongle, activation with serial key, install as 30 days demo. The license is activated through Activation Wizard. On Setup tab, we need to click on Consult License Activator. Activation Wizard will ask you for the selection of license. Select the license for Consult Video and click on Next. The license is activated through Active Wizard, and the activation is done for Consult Video. License needs to be deactivated before formatting or changing of PC. License deactivation is exact reverse procedure of license activation procedure. Open the pen drive and run VTNL again. Open Easy Dent Eye, go on left side top and click on Easy Dent Eye. You will get the drop-down menu. Click on About. About window will pop up. Click on Deactivate. The license will go back to the pen drive and software is deactivated. Please do contact your nearest Vatech representative for data backup and recovery. At Vatech, the largest numbers of installations and satisfied customers are proof of the outstanding sales and services that we offer. It's time to go digital with Vatech Easy Sensor Classic Intraoral Sensor. Your happiness is our success.